Hello students, today we are going to see the story Final Solution. It is written by Manika Upadhyay. He is a very famous Bengali writer. His story is translated into English by another writer whose name is Rani Ray. In this video, I will explain to you some of the facts related with this story in the following sequence. First of all, I will talk about the author. Then I will talk about the background of the story, and then I will talk about characters. I will introduce a set of characters to you all, and then we will have plot. See this picture. This is the picture of Manik Bandyopadhyay, who was himself displaced from his place and later came to India. So he is a very famous Bengali short story writer, novel writer, and many other writing he has done. You see in this picture that this picture presents before you the central idea of the story. The story has background of partition. The partition was havoc, a calamity for thousands of the people. Though it brought separate two nations for the people, for some people this partition was a disaster. The story is written against this background. There are certain set of characters you must know before I start talking about the plot. The central part of this story is related with a refugee family, and this family consists of Bhushan, who is a Sikh young man, Mallika, his wife, who is really a courageable woman and who has the responsibility to run this family. Bhushan has a sister, her name is Asha, and they have a son whose name is Kokan. Bhushan and Kokan are sick. For many days they are wandering from place to place seeking food and shelter. There is another group of characters in which Pramata is a major character who is a villain in the story. He has his assistant whose name is Ram Lokhan. They pretend to run help and welfare society for the refugee families and people. Now we are going to see the plot. There is a difference between plot and story. You must understand these two concepts. Plot is a sequence of interconnected events within a story. There is a cause and effect relationship between these events. On the contrary, story is simply full of events. It does not tell us the cause and effect in the story. So here is example how we can differentiate between plot and story. The king died and then the queen died. This is example of a story. And the king died and then the queen died of the grief is example of plot. So today we'll try to understand the plot of the story, the final solution. The story of final solution has a simple and linear plot. So events happens one after one. This is called linear, in a line. A refugee family in the post-partition times of unsettled life wanders off to a railway station of a city. They have no other shelter. So they puts up on the platform. Obviously at that time that was the only place where they can seek shelter. So it was a very common at that turbulent times. The whole family, that is the family of the Mallika, has gone hungry for days together. They have done odd jobs, menial work, and did insignificant work on their way. A man called Pramata and his assistant Ram Lokhan are on the lookout for such refugees, such pure displaced people. They claim that they are working for the Help and Welfare Society, which is, they claim, is established by the government to help refugees. Actually, the Pramata and his assistants are wolves in the garb of social workers, and they are always in search of victims. So they spot this family, especially Mallika, who is a young and needy woman. Pramata promises her to give a suitable job and calls her to a particular place in a colony where he feeds her, gives her new clothes, and tempts her to satisfy his sexual hunger. He tries to molest her. But Mallika is a very stubborn, courageous woman. In fact, Pramata's secret trade is to find out needy women and force them into the prostitution. So Malika, since is an alert woman and she understands the evil intentions of Pramartha and finally kills him. So the whole incident has not frightened her after this killing, but given her a new kind of confidence so that she can bring her out of any danger safely in this world of wolves. So this is her final solution to struggle for survival. So this is the sequence of the events interconnected with each other, having the cause and effect theory. Here we stop learning about the plot. In my next video I will talk about some of the major concerns in the story. Thank you.